illuminating the world, chasing the light forward. Rishang, with 20 years of unremitting efforts, is dedicated to exploring the value of LED lighting, just to join hands with you to create a green and low-carbon sweet home. Rishang was established in 2007. Located in Shenzhen of China's GBA, specializing in LED lighting products, R&D, production, sales, and service. It stands out as a national high-tech enterprise. Rishang, as a listed company, focuses on LED signage lighting, strip lighting, and educational lighting, continuously providing high-quality services to global clients. Signage lighting, the light of commerce. In streets and alleys, commercial buildings, or on transport hubs, from advertising signs, commercial light boxes, to spatial guidance, LED signage lighting is always shining with distinctive and unique brilliance. Linear lighting, the light of life. Rishang, through sci-tech innovation, brings intelligence and warmth to LED lighting. Every individual, every single mood, every specific scene can harmonize with lights. Educational lighting, the light of health. Taking care of children's eyes together, giving them a brilliant future. Rishang harnesses healthy and smart lights to fulfill its corporate social responsibility, striving to ensure that every child has bright eyes. How does Rishang build its core competencies? Research and innovative capability, with strong independent R&D capabilities, and a team of over 100 senior researchers. Rishang is customer-oriented and innovation-driven, continuously providing market-competitive products and solutions, and has obtained over 200 domestic and international patents for inventions and utility models. It owns the first lighting environments monitor and testing center in China, and obtains the qualification of Germany TÜV authorized lab. Its products have fully passed the 3C, CQC, CE, ROS, UL, ERP, SAA, and other domestic and international certifications. It led the drafting of multiple LED lighting industry standards to promote the healthy development of industry standards, showing its demeanor as a leading enterprise. With the arrival of the non-mains lighting era, the demand for LED strips is rapidly growing, and the unpackaged flip chip COB technology has become a new trend in lighting strip upgrades. The company invests substantial resources in COB strip lighting optical performance, production processes, cost control, product variety, and application directions, conducting in-depth research. After years of technological breakthroughs, it has overcome multiple technical challenges and obtained multiple patents for COB strip lighting innovations, pioneering new directions in the COB light strip industry. Operation and delivery capability. In Shenzhen, Thailand, and other places, Rishang owns modern manufacturing bases and fully certified with ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and other system certifications. In recent years, the company has invested heavily in smart manufacturing and digital upgrades for its factories to fully realize lean production, meeting clients' strict demands for product quality and on-time delivery. Quality service capability. Rishang has established over 100 sales and service centers at home and abroad, including a European service company in Germany that provides 24-hour service to global clients. The products exported to Europe, the Americas, Australia, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and over 100 countries and regions. It serves commercial chains, transportation hubs, home decor, technologies, 3C digital, hospitality, venues, finance, and other sectors, with a wide range of LED lighting solutions, making itself the preferred partner for many world-class brands. Targeting clients' customized needs, Rishang's VIP project service team offers comprehensive support from R&D to production and sales, catering to clients' high-value, differentiated requirements. Looking ahead, Rishang will steadfastly focus on its 3 core businesses, with commitments 1 meter wide and 10,000 meters deep, continuing to lead with innovation, maintaining high-quality service, and building a time-honored brand. At the same time, Rishang will leverage its advantages as a listed company through chain supplementation, extension, and strengthening, fully enhancing its core competitiveness. Always advancing with light, refining every beam of light. Rishang, always striving to innovate for client needs, is dedicated to being a continuous leader in the global LED lighting industry.